Why do people like to be angry? Have you ever noticed how some people seem to thrive on being angry? While it might seem puzzling, there are several reasons why anger can be oddly appealing. Even though it's usually an unpleasant emotion, let's dive into the surprising factors behind this phenomenon. 1. Sense of control. Anger can give people a sense of control or empowerment, especially in situations where they feel powerless or frustrated. When things aren't going their way, expressing anger can make them feel more in charge. 2. Expressing injustice. Anger is often a way to express feelings of injustice or unfairness. It's a natural response to being wronged and signals to others that something is unacceptable. Think of it as an emotional protest. 3. Social bonding. Believe it or not, shared anger can bring people together. When people unite over a common issue, anger can foster a sense of solidarity and community. It's like saying, "We're in this together." 4. Catharsis. Some folks believe that expressing anger helps them release pent-up emotions and stress. This temporary sense of relief, known as catharsis, can feel pretty good in the moment. 5. Attention and validation. Expressing anger can attract attention and validation from others. When someone gets angry, it often prompts others to listen and offer support, making the person feel heard and understood. 6. Moral certainty. Anger can provide a sense of moral certainty and righteousness. It reinforces the belief that they are on the right side of an issue, which can be very satisfying. 7. Biological response. Here's a scientific twist. Anger triggers a physiological response that can be addictive. The adrenaline rush associated with anger can be stimulating and energizing, making it something people might unconsciously seek out. While these factors explain why anger might be appealing, it's important to remember that chronic anger can have serious consequences. It can harm mental and physical health, strain relationships, and impact overall well-being. So, the next time you find yourself or someone else embracing anger, consider the underlying reasons. Understanding these can help us manage our emotions better and promote healthier ways of dealing with life's challenges.